turn down when it's Khaled. But if it's Foota, Lynx, Mataran, Sky Juice, Rory, Father Pow, Jamrock, it can't work. If a Birch, a problem. If a Frankie Music, a problem. If a Lenky from Do All the Rhythm, if a Sly and Rabbit, a problem. Any producer from Jamaica couldn't get this done. That's my problem. That's my issue. That's my issue. Why it can't happen on the Jamaican side of the thing? Why everybody ego buck when they deal with them owner people? But when they deal with people outside of the culture, them lower them standards, and them lower them ego, and them lower everything, and make it work. What you say, if me get invited, that invitation is valid. You not go place where you're not invited. So that question there is very rhetorical. Because if you get invited, alright, where you do a summer where you're not invited? Common sense. Where your mother tell you, from your little and grow. Where dogs are not invited, bones are not provided. So how you that get up, it's not negative, it's logics. Zine is logics. These artists are Jamaican artists. All of them, bossed by Jamaican selector or radio man, or producer. It's the truth. And for years, Jamaican producer, Jamaican badman, Jamaican police, Jamaican politician, Jamaican selector, Jamaican everything I try to make them come. It can't work. It will never work. Put on ego and everything for Khaled. Which me now blame Khaled. I repeat myself 1 million times. So that's only can edit and put this in it. Don't edit out that part. I am not blaming Khaled. Khaled is doing what's best for him. Zine? But I am saying, why this great accomplishment couldn't be accomplished by Sky Juice? Why it couldn't be accomplished by Father Pow? Why it couldn't be accomplished by Father Harper from Jaro? Why Ricky Chupa couldn't call a meet here and say him have a song and a video? Why Foota couldn't do it? Why Firelinks couldn't do it? Why Mataran couldn't do it? Because the artist would never allow it to happen. So that's why I ask the magic question, you know. The magic question. Is it brotherly love? Or is it just the money? See, somebody say he's doing what's best for Rock Nation. Me just ask for people I think but pray for ask. Is it brotherly love or is it money love? Because even for opportunity and money same way, you know. Even if I Khaled that put you onto somebody and put you onto somebody, that's why I'm doing it. Is it that or is it you really love Kartel? Is it that Mavado really love Kartel? Is it that Kartel really love Mavado now and feel like everything where it gone already gone? Is it that Buju and Killer lose them ego towards one another and them really check for each other now? Is it that Mavado and Killer good now? Is it that Kartel and Killer good now? Is it that? Or is it we are putting on a show because we don't want to miss this opportunity? It's just a question. It's just a question. It's nothing else. You understand? But big up Khaled to make it happen. It's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. But I just think, sir, and this is me. This is my opinion. And people can always hate me for my opinion or malice me for my opinion. My opinion is, you see, if I did Bounty Killer, call a union and it would have sit well with me. You see, if a Kartel did call a union and it would have sit well with me. You see, if a Mavado did call a union and it would have sit well with me. You see, if a Buju as a general call this and it did it would have sit well with me. Hey, Diamond, where you talk, say no producer never make the attempt. You're a madman. You know how much Jamaican producer, try get certain collab and get certain, yeah, idiot. You know, the Jamaican artist, they want vice pan the same rhythm when next artist step on. You know, see that? You know, realize that? I don't know watch your business. You know how much, you can't even get, you come like you don't know the business. You can't even get some of them on up and dub plate together. Dub plate. Not even 45. Dub plate. You can't get them to sing a dub plate together. What you talk say? Who must in no sense though.